Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Ad Hoc for its new stream. Today I will discuss about Stack Overflow. So whenever developer or programmer have their queries, they go for Stack Overflow. Most of the time, I'll show you uh, do most of the time. So empowering the world to develop technology through collective knowledge. So it's like major community where issues or concerns are discussed and experts try to provide like solution for uh, their issues. So uh, every year they have developer survey. In May 2024, over 65,000 developers responded to their annual survey about coding technologies and tools they use and want to learn. Also AI, obviously AI will be included. So AI and developer experience at work. So they have this particular link where we can go through their outcomes. So to be precise, they responders count are 65,437 from 185 countries. So if you regularly check Stack Overflow with your account ID, then you must have received this survey link every year. So top 10 countries are USA, Germany, India, and then technology JavaScript is used 62%. Out of 65,000, 48,000 shared salary information. So JavaScript it was for past year. We also can have like out of this 65,000, 76% have Stack Overflow account. So remaining 25%, they proactively provided response to this survey. Then we can know there are additional articles we can see here. Yeah, these are links for different surveys output. So we will go one by one. For developer profile, we can see most of the developers have completed bachelor degree or master's degree. Some we can see just completed college or associate degree or second school. They still because uh, like a non-technical background person can also learn technical things. So we can see here different response. To code where they are learning different codes like online. Most of uh, 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 response are from for on online resources. So because there are different online portals like Udemy, then LinkedIn Learning, then uh, there are many. So they most of the like it for me my organizations offers this online courses portal access, so I try to use much as I can. So from this instead of paying from my personal account, I use that opportunity to learn more and upskill my knowledge. So online resources to learn how to code, like uh, so we can see here is for technical documentation 83%, then technical documentation prepares to learn how to code. API documents API is latest thing where people try to learn about API and do use that one. So more than 1 in 3 developers that took surveys have been coding as long as, okay. So 5 to 9 years for 27%, then 10 to 14 years. So almost like 5 to 19%. So we can see here difference. Professional, like uh, before actually starting professional coding, most of us do try to practice and learn that thing. So this is a difference between years of coding and professionally coding. Developer type, so we can see here senior executive are the major chunk who's doing coding. Developer role full stack 30% it counts. For geography 52% uh, share their country in survey. Out of that 52%, USA is USA, Germany and India, there are major players. Like for age we can see here from 18 till 44 year they do coding most of the time. We can see here few people from like 55 to 65. After 65 years or older we can see 1.2%. So it's like they try to learn this new skill and try to use as well. I'm not sure if they are using professionally, but they're trying to learn. So this is for developer profile. Technical programming, scripting and markup language. So we can see here JavaScript is 62%. It is almost similar past year we see earlier. So HTML CSS for creation of website. Then Python is 51%, SQL 51%. So these languages we have to check: JavaScript, HTML, Python, SQL. Then for database, Postgres SQL use most 48%, then MySQL 40%. So if you combine SQL, like you can see all four major database here are from SQL: Postgres, MySQL, SQLite, Microsoft SQL. So I have learned this Postgres SQL because it's for it is we can create own database from Postgres SQL, and it is freely available. So I also use Postgres SQL. But if we combine all four, then it's almost entirely like monopoly by SQL in databases. For cloud platform, AWS is 48%. After that Azure is there. So and Google Cloud. So but for we can see dominance of AWS as well. For web frame and technologies, Node.js is counts 40%, React is 39.5%. So for embedded technology, Raspberry Pi. There are also other parameter we can see here, like all for here we can see for all respondents, but we can see here professional developers, learning, those who are learning to code, and from other code. So we can then segment segmentation we can see here for all respondents. There are other filters we can use here simultaneously. For then after Raspberry, Arduino, Arduino 29%, but Raspberry Pi is 38.6. Then other frameworks apart from this embedded or web technology, what are others? So .NET, NumPy, then Pandas. So okay, framework and library. Pandas, of course, we use for Python and NumPy as well. So these two library uh, com uh, combinedly like 41% we can see here. So we can see here for Python major library NumPy, Pandas, Scikit, PyTorch, the PyTorch. We can see libraries are from this Python are majorly major player here, majorly use. Other tools Docker, npm, pip, homebrew. So Docker 53% and npm 49%. Integrated development environment for like this visual code we can see 73% because it integrates uh, other other programming tool as well. Also in visual code there is a copilot which is liked by many programmer, so it helps to code help to improve their code. So Visual Studio Code is number one, and then Visual Studio, I think Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio are same, but I'm not sure. A synchronous tool, I'm not sure, like yeah, Jira and Confluence are top of the list for most, like Jira and Confluence. They are for tracking the issues and project management kind of thing. So I'm going to learn this Confluence in my current organization. So let's see how that experience is. But Jira, I know Jira. Most of the project management discussion we can hear about Jira. Synchronous tool. So Microsoft Teams, yes, in almost all organization where uh, 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 Microsoft 365 system use, then Microsoft Teams is there. So there are also memes about Teams caller tune and programmers lifestyle. So Teams, obviously Teams is number one. Zoom you I think Zoom used for most of the time for non commercial or for like routine uh, video calls or meetings. But yes, Microsoft Teams. I'm not sure about Slacks, I haven't used. We can see here different. Discord is also, I like Discord because in there are different forums in Discord which contributes to knowledge and recent activities from different organization, mostly technical related, so they have group most of the time. We can see Discord for like most of the AI related organizations said they share their latest info in Discord channels only. For operating system, obviously Windows. Personally, you for personal use 59% too. Then pro user 47%, 6. Then AI search and developer tool, ChatGPT 82% one. This October 30th, this chat GPT turns 2. So there is an interesting small video I will cover about that. So uh, after this chat gpt, almost it seems AI revolution started. So also GitHub Copilot, which Copilot integrated in GitHub, and that helps developer a lot. Google Gemini, I heard Google Gemini's performance is far better than others, but I yet to use that. Admired and desired programming scripting markup language. So Python is like admired, 67%, and uh, desired 41%. So 41% wanted to learn Python, and 61% those who have used, they appreciate Python. So we can see here, we on different programming and scripting languages, we can see this chart. For R, you can download this data set from download button, or you can also share. For database, SQLite increases desired score this year to become wanted by most. Okay, so SQLite is advancing in this chart, but Postgres SQL is number one as of now. So again, we can see here like top three players are from SQL. Cloud platform, obviously AWS will be number one, then Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. Web frameworks and technology, React, 70, 72%, 73% of developers that use it want to keep working with Svelte. This is new for me. I need to check about this Svelte. For embedded technology, it's almost similar to previous one, just they compared like admired and desired, uh, say in for that format. We can skip here. Programming worked with versus want to work with. So programming scripting language. So we can see here. Okay, we can hear it is beautifully, this visualization I like most, because it is beautifully related to like showing the actual output here. I will try to create one. So like for 9,000 who work with JavaScript want to work with bash or shell or all shells. So 15,000 who work with JavaScript want to work with Python. Then 20,000 who work with Python want to work with Python only. Okay. Then 13,000 who work with HTML, work more HTML, want to work with Python. So in most, okay, 9,000 who work with Python want to work with TypeScript. Okay. So here we can see or what programmer or scripter, programmer are using currently, and what they want to use in future, or they want to use. So it is beautifully visualized here. Similar approach for database, we can see. So mm, similar approach for cloud platform, then Here we can see for chat gpt, since it cover most of the uh, percentage here, uh, 15,000 who worked with chat gpt want to work with github copilot. 8,000, instead of this number they should have given percentage. Then from that we can correlate, like uh, what are the most count or most portion of programmer want to learn more. Top paying technology, erlang is I think erlang is old language and it's only used now in Ericsson and WhatsApp. But we can see for Erlang uh, for Erlang programmer they are getting more pay. So check what your program, and from that you can have future pay here. Changes in salaries between 23 and 24. For NIM it increase, Erlang it is almost same affects. For most of the program it is almost same. For .NET we can see some decrease, crystal decrease. Okay, after this similar approach, then we can see decrease here for most of the programming languages. MATLAB, C plus R, Python also decreased. So where it increased, or who earn more than 2023, we can see here like only NIM, Erlang and Apex. For rest it either it is same as previous year, or we can say decrease. I think one of the reason is that in most of the mm, like more and more corporates or organizations are trying to use AI for coding, and use that features for quick code and save that extra money. So if you are programmer and you are using this prompting engineering for coding, then it will be beneficial for you, instead of using only programming by yourself. So but so use AI as a supporting tool to increase your productivity, instead of wasting time on creation of end-to-end program. It will take time, and only thing I found that using AI as a like supporting for programming is that debugging takes much time in uh, AI code. So let's go for AI now. I know this video is longer than uh, most of our videos, but it's interesting to know this detail. I will share this link in description. Please go through it. AI tools in the development process. Uh, so 76% respondents are planning to use AI into their development process. Yes, obviously we have to use AI tools. Sentiment favorable. So most of are favorable for AI tool sentiments. Benefits of AI tool, whether we are benefiting from AI tools or not. So 81% says increase productivity, speed of learning, which I have said earlier, then greater efficiency as well. Accuracy of AI tools, they don't trust, somewhat they trust on accuracy because we need to provide many prompts to get exact, and for like what we seen in AI, it's out they that code that AI shows, sometimes it won't work in real programming tool. So that's why I think highly trust is only 2.7, but we we can improve that accuracy. AI tools ability to handle complex tasks, good, but not great at handling complex tasks. Yes, I agree with that. Bad at handling complex tasks. I too. AI in the development workflow, writing code. Yes, 82% writing code, searching for answers 67%. But yes, I do sometimes use for writing code and getting help as well. AI tools next year. In like, most developers agree that AI tools will be more integrated, mostly in ways they are documenting code. 81%. Yes, and testing code is for 80%, then writing code 76%. Efficiency and ethics. Are AI tools a threat to your job? No. Yes. What we have seen in news, it's contradictory statement here. We can see no. They are saying no because they know benefits from this AI tools. Most important ethical issue of AI: circulating misinformation or disinformation. 79%. That's quite a news for me as well. Missing or incorrect attributes for source data. Challenges with AI at work: don't trust the output or answer. Yes, uh, whatever you get answer or output from these AI tools, you have to check in real environment. Otherwise, uh, uh, if you use that output directly for final documentation or final explanation to client, then there are chances that uh, the overall outcome will be not good because it won't work most of the time, or you need to update that for real environment. AI at work in 1 year, seamless time. Developer mostly frequently hypothesis that amount of they are spent on tasks with AI tools and the complexity will be different 1 year from now. Yes, I agree. Then for work, employment status, employed full for, yes, full times are 69%. Geography, employed full time are 64%. Independent contractor, freelancer are 11%. We can see here student full time 9%. Work environment, hybrid, remote, and in person. So yes, for most of programmers, remotes are preferable, and so hybrid, where like project related activities are also assigned, project management related activities. Company size for most 20 to 2099 or 100 to like uh, within 500, we can see like most of the company size. Salary by developer, we can see here this we already seen. So salary and experience by developer, we can see for senior executive salary is high and their experience is high. It depends on experience. Then you can go through like what we are experience and developer type, and what is the average salary you should get. Like, for if you see red, it means that uh, mm, uh, there are many response received for this question, and for blue are less. So do not depend on this output, but you can relate salary and experience by language. We can see Erlang is still one, and yes, for different language, programming language, there are different salaries. You can see, or depend on this, you can decide which programming language you need to uh, look out for. Influence on technology and purchase. Okay. Six, most respondents have influence over technology purchase, like from this 62%. Prefer to build and buy new tech. Build and buy, yes, because for new technology, for free only available software or AI tools, they are quite limited. If you want to do professional build up, then you have to buy. Researching new tools and technology. Start free trial, yes, obviously we all do that with free trial. If that experience is goes well, then we go for actual buying. Take endorsement factors. API, yes, API nowadays are like around 75%. APIs are pretty cool, but did you know that 75% more likely to endorse your technology if you provide access to API? Yes, because API is easy to use, and instead of having other environment, if you have API, then you can integrate with your current tool. Coding outside of work, hobby, yes, that's what I do. Then for community, visiting site across Stack Overflow and Stack Exchange. Stack Overflow 97%. Frequency of visiting Stack, so it is for like uh, related to Stack Overflow. Frequency of visiting Stack Flow, few times a week, daily 25%, 32%. So like they use frequently. Have account on Stack Flow Pro, yes. If you don't, then also you can check out our query, because when you type doubt in browser, most of the time first or second result is from Stack Overflow, that you most of us refer. Frequency of participation on Stack Overflow, I think it's less than once per month or monthly, 53%. Because uh, at least for my, I refer but I don't participate, because uh, I think there are many expertise they can provide answer. I'm not that expert as of now. How you choose to use Stack Overflow? Quickly finding code solution, obviously 89%. Finding reliable guidance from community, 68%. Feel like part of Stack Overflow community? Yes, definitely. Not really, because uh, we most programmer are do not participate or contribute in Stack Overflow. I think maybe there is a reason, because nowadays from last year or so, many are using AI instead of Stack Overflow. So instead of like detailed discussion from different answer, which actually improves our understanding of problems more, people try to go for quick solution at ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Copilot. They try to find quick solution without any uh, like uh, uh, like without any much thinking. Top suggested improvements per frequency of participation. New users are 9%, old answer. Okay. So then professional developers, participation in professional developer series, yes, 67%. Individual contributor or people management, individual contributor. So it is for also I think for Stack Overflow, years of professional work experience. So 1 to 9 years, they this combined around half of the uh, experience, or half of the uh, years, we can see here. After that, there is only 10 to 14 years, 18%. As after certain years of experience, most of programmers move to project, team handling activities. That's my personal opinion. Ability to find knowledge and information within their organization. 70% of respondents agree or strongly agree that they know where to go to find answer to their question, and 56% agree they can do so quickly. Over the time, you know what are different resources you to use, or for particular type of question, whether you need to reach out to colleague, or look out for answer within other sources. Frequency of productivity frictions. 30% developers say knowledge silos impact their productivity 10 or more times per week. Daily time spent searching for answers solutions. 61% more than uh, uh, 30 minutes day searching for answer. Daily time spent on answering question. People managers spend a lot of time answering questions, 61%. Okay. Process tools and programs within organization tool. Continuous integration, CI, and more often continuous delivery. It counts around 70%. Most professional developers reports having CI, CD, DevOps, or automated testing available at their organization. Cloud on open-prem environment. Most developers work in cloud hosted or hybrid environment. It total both are like 86%. Resources for technical question at work. Traditional public search engine, like, yeah, obviously, I think it's Google only search engine. Sorry. Most common frustration, technical debt is the top frustration at work, because they have uh, all pending work they need to do. According to that, 63% technical debt. Job industry and satisfaction. Industry, software dev, 41%. Then satisfied at current job, only 1 in 5 professional developer are happy at their current job. They always the technology is changing so fastly, that they are not satisfied, and they want to work in with different they want to learn different technology. So because I think because of that pressure, they are not satisfied. Also, salary is one of the major factor we can see here. Factors that most contribute to job satisfaction. Happy factor, happy, unhappy, somewhere in between. Okay. We can see improving quality. Then this is the last one, methodology, we can see. So we can see here methodology, how they what are the key points for this survey and outcomes. We can see survey filled from like uh, 19 May to June 20. How do you feel about length of this survey is appropriate in length? So how easy or difficult was this survey to complete? Easy one. So when next time if you get this link or you find this survey is available, do participate, and it will help to identify challenges and what are the pro cons from in this like uh, the, this technology all over the world. Then you can decide like how to go for like whether you need to learn different technologies or programming languages, or use AI, yeah, or learn that thing. So you can get that details. You can contribute to for overall good. So with your response, it will get more accurate over the time, this survey, and it will help uh, larger pool as well, because more people participate, more accurate surveys outcome gets. So do participate next time. So that's it for today, and for this Stack Overflow developer survey. And if you like this, then like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you.